Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a checkbox read only using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open with fill level PDF and this is a checkbox. I'll make all of them read only. You cannot edit it. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find the select field option. Click here and drag your mouse to select all of them. Now press right button and select properties dialog box. And properties dialog box, go general option already selected, and here you will find this read only option. Simply check here. Now select close and go hand option and see this. You cannot edit, and all of them are make read only. And finally select this file option, save or save as fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and